Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Babydoge what's going on in the Babydoge. What's the price of Babydoge? What's the price changes occur? We discuss a lot of in the future price of Babydoge, as in the future there is possibilities that the price will pump or dump. We discuss these all things shortly in this video, guys, so keep watch this video complete. And guys, if you want this type of more news and update videos, so kindly don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos, guys. The currently right now price of Babydoge in the market is about 0.0000001647 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Babydoge in the market. That's mean, guys, that the current situation of Babydoge is a very good situation. You know what, friends, at this time the price of Babydoge is very low, you know, very low. And other side, if we look the changes updated, and currently I'm just talking about the right now update, the live update of Babydoge. So you can see here 44.70% changes is positive, price pumping, moving upward, guys. So obviously, guys, if you want to short-term investor, stay alert in the market, stay alert in the market. And guys, remember, in a crypto, don't be greedy, in a crypto. You know what, I found a lot of people that they're greedy and they want more profit in short time. For long time, that's good, but in short time you want more profit, so you have to hold for long time. Remember that when you become a profit in short time, sale, go away from a market. That is the way. That's not a way that you are a short time investor and you, when you saw no, now price will pump, now after this falls, so no, that's not a way to make money, guys. Be alert in the market. Anyways, let me show you the more update about Babydoge. You can see 143.24% trading volume positive, guys. That's mean a lot of people are investing more in the Babydoge, guys. The price moving upward, so just buy now and make yourself millionaire, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.